beautiful people. What's good? What's popping? I hope you're having a great day so far. If not, that's okay. That's all right. Come on. Sit down with me. We're going to flip that frown upside down for you today, and we're going to get into another reaction. Okay, so I have received quite a bit of subscriber suggestions and just lovely comments about you guys. You know, you loving the discovery journey that I'm taking with Elvis. So I thought, why not keep it going? And plus, I'm enjoying this with you all. So I did see a suggestion in particular. Someone left a list of Elvis songs they think I should check out, and they also left the links to these videos. So I was like, cool. Why not give you guys what you are asking for, which is some more Elvis? So I decided, why not, for a Saturday, you know, kick up the weekend vibe, shall we, and get into the Medley Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, and All Shook Up 68 comeback special. So let's not waste no more time. Let's dive this back into some Elvis.
To 12, when it's down at the end of the street at Heartbreak Hotel.
Oh, come on!
Well, tears keep flowing, with desk clerks dressed in black. Well, they've been so long on the street living.
Music ramping up. Oh. Come on. You're giving us a show. Kudos and thanks to the band. I'm just gonna do this as a way of me clapping, so that way I ain't gotta clap out loud. Let's give our thanks to the band, man. A band really makes music. The artist, of course, makes the song what it is, but without this band, come on now.
I'm all shook up.
This makes me want a tambourine now.
I'm all shook up. My hands are shaky and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own feet. Who do you think when you have such love and love? I'm all shook up. Please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine. When I'm near the girls, my heart beats so it's scared of me to death. It was touching my hand. Now what a chill I got. My lips are like the volcano is hot. I'm proud to say it's in my when I come.
This made me want to get up and dance so bad.
I'm all shook up.
Like I said, I'm never disappointed with any of the suggestion y'all give me at this point, okay? I don't see how all those people in that room, that auditorium, how they weren't dancing. Oh, I would have been in the crowd just having me a blast, okay? But yeah, y'all, that was Elvis Presley, Medley, Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, All Shook Up, 68 Comeback Special. Let me know what you thought about this video down below in the comments. Don't be afraid, don't be shy to leave some suggestions or feedback for the next future watch on my channel. Other than that, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in the next video.